Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this robot grip mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on assembly and click OK. So first thing that we have to make is the base. Okay. So let's start. First click on here, click on new part and select the top plane. After that for that, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now let's try to make a base of our design. Okay, so click on here, draw the base as I'm showing. Dimension don't need to be exact because I'm making a rough design. Okay, it is not like it is 100% right design. Now let's give them dimensions. Just I'm making it first time as well. I don't know any kind of dimensions. I'm just making whatever that comes in my mind. Okay, and this one is 100 mm. 50. Now click on features, press escape and select this line, make it construction. Let's mirror it. Mirror about this line. Click OK. Go to extrude 3 mm. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Click on convert entities. Go to the features, extrude. But this time make sure that thin feature is on. Click on reverse direction. Reduce the thickness to 3 mm and increase extrusion to 5 mm or 10 mm 10 mm and click OK. After that, select the top face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I have to add some gears here, and just to know that this design is not fixed because I might change it later onwards. So let's try to add a gear. So exit this edit assembly component mode, go click on here, and I'm basically going to add Spur Gear. So click on here and reduce its module to 1 and number of T's to 30 is fine, and go downwards. uh, you will see normal shaft diameter, reduce its diameter to 5 4 mm, whatever you want, and click OK. After that, just cancel it, select this face, click on sketch and click on convert entities. Now press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy the sketch, exit it. Now click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal into the view, press Ctrl V to paste the sketch. Now go to the features, make sure that you don't edit or give any kind of dimensions as you will face problems, and increase or decrease the thickness as per your requirement. In my case 5 mm is fine, click OK. After that, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we are going to do extrude cut here. So let's see how we are going to do it. First, draw a center line like this and select this line. Click on offset entities, type value 3 mm, click on bidirectional, click on cap ends, make sure it's arcs, click OK, and select this line and this, escape, mirror entities, select this line and this, click OK. After that, make the sketch as I'm showing. It is not to be dimensionally accurate, so don't worry about it. Now what we need to do is go to features, click on extrude cut, select this and click OK. A question as your mind, why I'm not using this, why I don't use this gear. The reason is that I'm not using this gear because if I do any kind of modification, I might run my assembly or the libraries. Okay, I have done a lot of time, and most of the time I ruined my designs or libraries. So that is the reason I don't do any kind of modification and save those files, because it's just create a lot of problem for me in future onwards. So now click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now, what we need to do is draw a circle here and give it a dimension. 3 mm is fine. Extrude cut. Okay. Now select this face, click on sketch. Select straight slot. Six mm. Make it 0. Smart dimensions. Make it 20 mm. After that, go to features. Before I do features, let's create a one more hole. 3 mm. And it's too big. Let's reduce it 15 mm. 15 mm is fine, or let's say 10 mm is better, I guess. 13 mm, 30 mm is better for me. And extrude it and click on reverse direction. Click OK. So we have created one more part, and we need to now exit this adjacent component mode. Move this component here. Now I need to do something so that to make a circular part where basically it fits. So let's see what I can do. So select the first part, click on add component, select this base, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So let's create the first one. Let's see what I can do. First let's create a circle here. 3 mm. 50 mm. 20 mm. 30 mm is better. 30 mm and OK. Now go to the sketches and draw a center line. Escape, mirror about this line. OK, features, extrude 20 mm or 10 mm. OK. Exit that assembly component mode. Click on here, select this one and this one. OK. And select this face and this face. Click OK. Now I need a rack gear as well. So let's see what we can do for that. And first what we need to do is delete these sketches and parts, unnecessary parts, because it creates this unwanted burden on our PC. Select this part, click on here and delete. Select this part, click on delete. Now we need a rack, so select here, click on rack and spur. Make sure its module is 1 mm. Okay, and about length, its length is 90 mm. I think it is okay. 90 mm. Let's say 80 mm is better. Click OK. exit this. Now select this face, click on sketch, click on convert entities. Now press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy, yes, exit. Click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8, press Ctrl V to paste the sketch. After pasting the sketch, click on extrude post base. Make sure that you don't do any kind of modification, and that because it will run the geometry. Thickness is 5 mm. Click OK. And one more thing, exit the assembly component mode. Basically I need one more dimension from this, so select this one, and if you go here you see tooth cut, right click on it and click on show. Select this gear, press Ctrl plus 8. So measure the distance from here to here. So it is evaluate, measure, select this line and this line. Clear selection first, select this line and this line. So it is 1.25 mm. Okay, I need this one. So what I'm going to do is select this part, uh, edit components, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on sketch, draw a center line. Center line is basically nothing, just construction line. Okay. Smart dimensions 1.25. Okay. Exit the sketch mode. Add some. Go to here. Select this face. Click on add components. Select this face. Click on sketch. So if you remember correctly, that the gear has a module of 1 and number of teeth is 30. So that is the diameter of its circle diameter. I need it because I'm going to use it for my mates. Okay, that is the reason I have added. Now exit the some component mode. Select this one and go to the mates. Select this face and this face. Uh, Make it parallel. Okay, click OK. Now move this part forward. Now I need to make this place somewhere. Okay, so how can I place it? Because I need that the distance between from here to here must be exact. So what I can do? So go to evaluate, measure, select this line and the edge. It is 1 mm. Okay. So what I know that 30 plus 1, 31 mm. Okay. So let's see what we can do. Assembly, mates. But we need to create something here to basically, I can't take point as a reference. I need something called plane here. So what I can do, I will create a plane here. So click on here, view temporary axis, reference plane, plane. Not perpendicular. Delete. And not. Select this face, mate. Let's try this method. I don't know whether it works or not. Click on distance. Enter a value of 15 mm, 14 mm, 13 mm, and click OK. Right click on it, edit feature. Let's make it 12 mm, 12.5 mm. Click OK. Now move it to little bit backward. Press F to fit on the screen. Click on mates. Select this face. Click OK. Now move it a little bit here. Now what I need is basically the grip thing, so that we will work on it. Okay. Mm, Now that's fine, I guess. Don't worry, I will cut out this area later onwards. Now select this part, click on edit feature, uh, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, click on sketch, escape, features, extrude 5 mm, reverse direction, click OK, exit the assembly component mode. For a time purposes, hide this part because it's quite annoying. Just suppress it. Don't save it. And delete this sketch because it is not useful for us. Now, now let's see what we have to reach. So now I have to do something to move this gear and do some mating here. So for mating, what I can do is go to the mates, mechanical mates, click on rack and pinion. Now select this edge and this sketch. Now click OK. Now if I rotate, first select this part, paste and click on fix. Now if I try to rotate it, you can see the movements. So that is the purpose of the sketches. Okay. So I hope you can understand why I spend a lot of time to the measure and make this sketch. As you can see, it's quite smooth working. Press Ctrl Z uh, just to make it in distribution. Now I need something to basically move it. So let's see what I can do. So before I do that, let's do the mirror. So click on here, click on mirror components, mirror about this plane, select this plane and this part, click OK. So if I rotate this one, you can see other one also rotating. So press Ctrl Z just to make it at original position. Okay, and what we can do now, we need to add one more part, and as you can see that I will face a problem later onwards because of some issues. So press Ctrl Z. So I'm going to do some modification a little bit. So I will right click on this part, click on suppress and move this forward. Okay, and till they meet. So this looks fine. After that, I will right click on it, click on unsuppress. Now if I try to rotate it, now this one is much better because now I can get better control when I will add other parts. Okay, so let's see how I will add other parts and other things. So let's create another parts. So before I add another part, select this part, click on add component, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen of the view. Click on sketch circle, draw a circle, diameter as per your requirement. In my case it's 20 mm. uh, Extrude cut, click OK. Select this part, face, press Ctrl plus 8 and select this one. 10 mm, 10 mm, 2 mm, extrude cut, and we need to add some guides. So basically, they can properly move these things in a straight path. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So let's see how I can do it. Click on here, center rectangle, 80 mm, 10 mm, 3 mm, 10 mm. Go to the features. Before I go to the features, I'll draw a center line first. Mirror about it. Select the sketch. Mirror about this line. Click OK. Extrude it. 3 mm. Okay, it's too low. 5 mm. It's too small. 7 mm. 7 mm is fine. Click OK. Now exit the adjustment component mode. Select this face. Select this part. Click on Add Components. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen of the view. Now I'm going to make a rectangle just to cut all these things. So sketch, center rectangle, 3 mm, 80 mm, 90 mm, and press Ctrl plus 8. Smart dimensions off. Move a little bit. I can't select this edge properly because it is another from belong to other parts, and I have also checked on external preferences checked on, and it is necessary, else I will face problems at onwards. So click on features, click on extrude cut. Uh, just type the value of 3 mm. Or 2 mm, I guess. 2 mm. Okay. Click on OK and done. One thing you notice that this part, uh, that this one has a cut upper here and this one has a cut at lower downside. So it is because of mirroring thing. So what we can do to reduce this effect, so select this part, add components, and first I need to create a plane. So go to the features, plane, select this face and this face, click OK. After that, click on mirror, this part, extrude cut, click OK. So it is on both sides now. Actually, there is some component now. It is on both sides now. Okay. So let's create some more parts, and after that will be done. And we also have to do cut on here, so I forgot about it. So select this part, click on add feature, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, sketch, extrude cut. Okay. Okay, I need to extrude cut through all, I guess. Edit feature through all. Click OK. After that, just mirror it. And okay, for mirroring, we are going to use this inner one because that one will not work for us. Okay, now we have to make just some more parts, and after that, our project is done. So let's see what we can do. So now I need something to make it move here down. So let's see what I can make. So click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So first I need to create a shaft. Eight mm, 100 mm, revolve, click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Two mm, 3 mm, extrude cut, click OK. Exit that is on component mode. Made face this and this face. Select this face and this face, make it parallel. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do is basically select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. I will add a simple shaft head that basically connected to these two. So let's see how I approach this problem. So click on here, click on new part, select the top plane of the assembly and click on here, click on centerline plot. Mm, 10 mm, 3 mm, 3 mm, no, don't make it a hole here. Extrude it 3 mm, click OK. Exit the size and component mode. Move this part upwards. Now go to here. Select this face, bottom face. Click on here. Select this axis and this axis. Okay, they are not going to go inside. So basically, what I want that this I wanted basically it isn't exactly at the center of it. So what I can do is select the top plane of it, click on mate, and select the front plane of the assembly and click OK. Now let's create the last part. So first rename it base. Let's give it a name base. Okay. Select this and press F2 and type base. Select this one, press F2, type Spur Gear. For the easiness of our project, here you see this traffic light icon. This is called rebuild, so click on rebuild. F3 rack. Now let's create the last part, and after we are done, click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl+8, click on this 2-point slot, press Ctrl+Z. Let's make it 3.9. Let's don't change it. 3.9. Extrude it. Click OK. Exit the adjustment component mode. Now click on mates. Select this face and this face. Make it concentric. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make it concentric. Click OK. And select this. Select this face and this face. Click OK. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to just going to mirror it. So mirror components. So if I try to move it, okay, I forgot. I doesn't do any kind of mating with this part. So click on mates, select this face and this face. Let's click OK. We are not going to give any kind of dimensions, etc. So if I try to move this part, you can see I get this movement, gear movement. So in this way you can make this mechanism as per your requirement. Okay. Click on rebuild. And one more thing, you notice that this pin is not adjusted fully adjusted. I don't know why, but it need to be fully adjusted there. And also I need to add some pins here. So let's do that pin part. After that our project is done. So click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl+8. So I'm just going to make first pins. Okay, I don't worry about it, we will just give the dimensions 3 mm, 30 mm. Exit the sketch. My stadium is quite big. I will reduce this length later on. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Now press Ctrl and right click on your mouse and drag it. Cancel this. Press Escape. Mates. Select this face and this face. Click OK. As you can see, these pins are quite big. So first select this part. Edit components. features. Let's just reduce its heights to desirable level. I guess this one is okay. Exit on component mode. Now that looks fine, and I will just mirror it, and I need to fix this one. So select this part, click on add components, select this, so it is also extrude feature. So right click on it and delete it. Let's make sure that okay, they are basically sketches. So click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So trim this one, click OK, and go here, draw a sketch here, click OK, and exit this, and exit addition component mode, and just click on mirror components. Select this part and this part, click OK. So if I try to move it, I can get the animation. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, and hide the sketches. Let's give them some color. So now go to the motion study, animation, move this time frame to 5 seconds, and select this part and grab it and move it. Okay, and click on here, click on playback reception, and click on calculate. Now click on pause, increase the FPS to 30 for better results. Click on calculate. So you can see this is how we can make this animation.